There we got Tikaboo Peak. Oh yeah, they're watching. They got a camera there and there. At least you know which way the wind's blowing while they watch. Camping out. Oh yeah. Made this new wall here for you guys. Got Tikaboo Peak. We got new technology nowadays, by the way. We got these little mini Helix Ground Zero chairs. They only weigh a pound. Should get one. Found the Pharaoh guy. Gotta contact him. And I made a new entryway right here. Big enough to put a new bivy sack. It's not perfect, but it's a start. And all these rocks over here came from the ground in here. And over there as well. So, you want to give me crap, you know, go right on ahead. Get yourself one of those little axes and get to work. Flatten it out for yourself. Because I'm sleeping over there still. My stuff's set up. I'm good to go over there. I got another wall here. Enough for a two-man tent if you guys clean that out. You got the valley floor down there. Got Groom Lake Road coming in. Circles off over there to the distance. I don't know if you can see the shiny stuff or not, but that right there is Groom Lake Road. And I was nice enough to do some tree pruning for you right in there, so you didn't have to sit there and be bothered like I was. So I did a lot of work up here today, and I've been here yesterday. It snowed out this morning. Super cold. That's why I've been working all day. I hear a lot of jets, and you know, a lot of jets are flying around. Problem is that I can't see them. They're 24 miles off that way. Last night I seen them flying. They would fly from over here right to this tower by coincidence. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about, because it was right in the way of the tower where they all turned, and they shot off that way. By the way, St. George is over there, Mesquite's over there, and Valley of Fire's there, and Vegas is due south. And there's a funny looking faint light over there. And when you look over there, I'm sure you can see like Palm Springs or Riverside. Somewhere over there. And then Groom Lake is there. You can see a little town over there. That's like Ash Springs, I believe, and that's kind of where you came in. Back over there. Mountain lions are up here too. I seen a whole herd of horses and 2 sheep eaten up along the way up here. Kind of freaked out. Wished I had a small handgun, but don't own one. There you go. Oh, we got some activity down there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a bus. Looks like the bus coming from Groom Lake Road. It's kicking up dirt. I don't know if you could see it or not. I got too much glare in the thing. But he's gonna shoot out that way. He's like somewhere over here. I can't see. I got too much sun in my eyes. Trying to see if I can zoom in here. Can see the dust cloud. Gotta love that dust cloud. Those are all your workers. They park on there by the gas station at the Alamo Sheriff's Office. That's their parking lot. Got another little rain cloud over there. I came up here to hear a loud jet fly low over my head, and I haven't heard one yet. They're all off in the distance. But I will stay here tonight and see what happens. Signing off. Have a great day. One last thing. You don't like what you see here in the entryway, you want to put a bivy sack down, it's up to you guys to flatten it out, because I give up. I'm tired. So There you go. There's the new wall. There's all the rocks that came out of this little hole here for the bivy sack. A lot of work done there. And you got another perimeter here for another tent. Looks like you got a home up here in Dreamland. Have a great day. Bye, Camo Dude.